Hi and welcome back. In this tutorial you will learn how to do reverse scoring in R using base functions and the Psych package. Let's get started. First, we are going to create a character vector containing the column names of the items or variables we want to reverse. For example, we're going to create the calls to reverse character vector containing the variables q2, q3, and q4, which you can see are available in this example data I have created. Next, we will reverse the scores in R using the character vector we just created. Here's how we can do it. So we take scores and the calls to reverse that we just created, the vector containing the variables we want to be reversed. So we take -6. This is depending on your instrument scale, of course, but here it's 6 minus scores again, and the calls to reverse. And we just hit enter and we have reversed the scores. Now let's use the Psych package to reverse the scores. First, we will create a numerical vector containing keys of all the variables we want to reverse in the data frame, including those we don't want to reverse, of course. We call it keys. So 1, -1 is for reversing, -1, -1, 1, and 1. So here you can see that we use the negative numbers to mark the variables we want to reverse, and ones for the ones we don't want to reverse. Next step is to use the reverse code function. We create a new data frame called new and use the reverse code function with the keys and then the old data frame. First, we create the keys, of course. And that's it. You have successfully reversed your dataset scores using base R functions and the Psych package. Remember to replace the column names with the actual variables in your dataset that you want to reverse. And if you plan to use Psych to reverse scores in R, you should of course install the package. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorial like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time.